Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing using only 100% free traffic from Instagram Reels, and how to do all of this without making these videos yourself from scratch. So smash like just below this video and let's get started. Step 1 is to find some excellent affiliate products to promote, and one of the ways to do this is to brainstorm using Google. So you can just type in something like most profitable affiliate niches to get some ideas on the types of products and types of niches that you can promote. Then you can pretty much click on any of these links here on the first page and just read up to get some ideas about the different niches. This post here has got some ideas on some niches, so if you are completely unsure where to start, you can take a look at some of these posts. So there is lifestyle, hobby, travel, security and survival. You can find excellent affiliate offers in pretty much any of these niches. For the purposes of today's video, I'll focus on pet care. The next step of what I typically do is I type in that more detailed search, so something like best pet affiliate programs, and then I take a look at what kind of programs exist out there so that I can get some ideas. If I don't like any of these ones that are listed here, I can just go on to the next blog post and the next blog post until I find a product that ticks all of the boxes for me. So let's work with this very first post from Authority Hacker. And you can see that they're listing a ton of pet affiliate programs. So you can read the information about all of them, and that'll give you a really nice overview of what each of these affiliate products is about, their commission rates, their cookie duration, and it will also give you a URL to sign up to this program. The product that caught my eye from this list is this one here called Bark Potty, and that is simply because all dog owners need a potty for their puppy or for their grown-up dog. You can do a little bit of research on what this product is if you're not too sure. Just from having a quick glance at this looks like a pretty awesome product that probably I would like to have, as a dog owner, and I think a lot of other people will be interested. Pretty much anyone who's got a dog will need this product. Their affiliate program actually pays a 10% commission for every new subscriber. If someone signs up through my link for a monthly subscription, then for every one potty every 30 days, I'm gonna get paid 10% of $37, so $3.70. I love recurring income affiliate programs, so this actually sounds pretty good. If I follow the sign up URL, I can see that this program is actually hosted on ShareASale. I already have an account on ShareASale, so I can just find this product directly on ShareASale. And here it is. I found this program inside shareasale.com. If you don't have a ShareASale account, you can just go and join. This is a network that hosts hundreds, well actually thousands of different affiliate products all in one place. So go ahead and sign up. And here I found this Bark Potty affiliate program. So basically I can just click join program, and it will send a request for me to get approved by Bark Potty as an affiliate. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to grab the link here, and these links will be different for different affiliate programs, of course, and the way to actually get your affiliate link will be different depending on which affiliate program you've joined and which affiliate network you're using. But for ShareASale here, to grab an affiliate link, I just need to click get links for any of the approved products that I've currently got. So let's click get links, and this is going to be my affiliate link here. It'll look something like this. So all I need to do now is just to start sending traffic to this link and look at all of the conversions and all of the sales roll in. Well, it's not quite as simple as that, but still I'm going to show you a really cool way to drive a ton of traffic to this link. For now, let's just drop this link over here into the notepad so that we can come back to it easily later, so we can start promoting this link. So now whenever someone clicks this affiliate link, they will be redirected via your link to this affiliate offer. They will land on this Bark Potty page, and once they sign up, then you will start making commissions and they will get reflected in your ShareASale account. To get traffic to your affiliate links, one of the best ways to do this today is Instagram. Instagram is a gold mine for traffic, and you can really get a lot of traffic, a lot of affiliate sales on Instagram, even if you don't have that many followers. Check this out, some of the examples in the dog niche. Here are a couple of pages that I just wanted to share with you. This first Instagram account, Golden SSLI, probably Golden Sally or Golden Silly, something like that. You can see that they post videos of the Golden Retriever dog, and look at the amount of views that these Instagram Reels have. Now, just to draw your attention, okay, you can have posts and you can have Reels. Instagram Reels at the moment are completely going nuts, absolute bananas. and look at the number of views that these reels are getting. So this account only has 47,500 followers, which is actually not that much. They've only ever made 304 posts. But look at the number of views that they're getting: 1,520,000, 169,000, 406,000. So like any of their posts gets pretty much hundreds of thousands of views on average. And you can see here that at the top of the page, you can see that they're promoting something. So there is a bit.ly/golden-shirt. And if you click this link, this will open up this page here where people can get a t-shirt with the golden retriever graphics. Now, every time this happens, this person who runs this page is going to make a sale, is going to make a commission. And this is exactly the opportunity for you guys. You can have a page like this, and when you get the views, people who are viewing all of these reels, you can direct them from inside the reel to click your link at the top, or click your link in the bio, and you can insert your affiliate link. Remember how we got our affiliate link from ShareASale for this program that we decided to promote, this program over here? Well, you can insert that link over here into the top of the Instagram page. And guys, this can get you a ton of traffic. I mean, look at this. So let's say for this video that has had 1 million views, even if just 0.1% of people, so 1 in 1,000, clicks the link in the description, guess how much traffic it can generate? Multiply that by 0.1% equals 1,000 clicks. So this video, very, very conservatively, is likely to generate 1,000 clicks. And guys, if your affiliate program is good, it's not unusual to generate 50 cents to $1 per every click. So even being very conservative, if we multiply this by 0.5, this one reel that they have uploaded could make them $500. Okay, and obviously they have uploaded a ton of reels, and the more their account grows, the more of these Instagram reels they upload, the more and more followers they will have, the more and more views they'll have, the more clicks they'll have, the more money they can make. So this is an opportunity. Just to give an example of another Instagram account, so it's Wilson the Cavoodle. Now they've only ever made 8 reels. Okay, they've also made some just photo posts, but the real power at the moment in Instagram is in posting reels. And they've only ever posted just 8 reels. Now these reels also are getting thousands of views. The only thing is that they're not really promoting anything on their Instagram page. So this is a big opportunity that this page is missing right now, I feel. But here is another account, Bull Terrier Lover. Okay, 3,144 posts, 75,000 followers. Look at how much views they're getting. They're getting tens of thousands of views on their Bull Terrier videos, and again they're promoting something at the top of their page. So Germany, this is a referral link, and with each click there is a chance that this page here, this Instagram account, is making sales or making commissions. So you guys can absolutely do the same. Just get a brand new Instagram account, branded similar to this. So put a photo of a dog, put the similar descriptions, and then you will need to upload content as reels. Now I'm going to walk you through the probably coolest part of this video is about how you can organize these videos without having to make your own videos from scratch. So let's just connect all of the dots here. So you want to promote this offer. You want to attract people who are interested in buying a potty for their dog. And you want to make videos that are similar to this that dog lovers will watch. And inside those videos, so somewhere within this video, as the person is watching this video, you want to tell them to click the link in the bio, and that link in the bio via your affiliate link will take the viewer to this website and they can buy this potty from your link. So here is how to find footage for your videos if you don't want to shoot your own videos from scratch. So you just jump over to YouTube and type in any dog related video, or obviously if you're in a different niche, you can totally do this in any niche that you want, but our example is in the dog niche. So we're gonna type in something like funny dog videos, and when we click search, then go to filters, and under filters choose these Creative Commons. So what is Creative Commons? Creative Commons just basically means that all of these videos that we're now looking at, they are licensed under Creative Commons license, which basically means that the owner of these videos is giving you legal right to use this footage. And you're going to download these videos and then you can upload them to Instagram after editing them and changing them around a little bit. So let's say you want to look, you want to use this footage over here. Okay, so you can download this video. All you need to do is just open a program called YT5S. So you can type that into the Google search. And then grab this link over here and paste it in here and use the download function. Choose the 1080p and click download. This is going to download the video for you guys. Then to create the video, you can just use canva.com. Just the free version is completely fine. Go create a design and choose Instagram Reels from the designs over here, Instagram Reel, and then go into uploads and then upload that video that you've just downloaded. So as of right now, Instagram Reels maximum duration is 90 seconds. So you can go back into Canva, and this video that we're now uploading, it's actually longer, it's over 2 minutes, but you can chop it up and you can create several videos from it. So for example, you can create perhaps 5 videos that are half a minute each. And so now that you've dropped that over here, you can see it's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So use the editing interface here at the bottom to create a short version of it. What I can do here is kind of just reposition this. So let's just blow it up to kind of take up the center part like this. Okay, and you can kind of preview how it's looking. In the bottom over here, you can see the preview. So we can see over here, this particular clip is ending and the video is going to be about 30 seconds. So this is pretty good for us. We probably just want to end the video here. You can just right click over here like this, and where it says split page, we're going to split it, and then you can just delete the rest of this video. So now we've got the 25-second clip, which we can export. Okay, but before we export, at the very end of it, we actually probably want to put in that call to action to click the link in the bio. So let's just go into text, and you can use any of these pre-made text styles, or you can just create a normal kind of plain looking text. So I'm going to click this heading and then just drop it over here. Let's give it a slightly different color. Maybe we'll make it red. Then you can edit it. Let's just make this a little bit smaller so that it fits on the one line over here. So like that, it's looking good. And let's just click a subheading. Okay, like this, natural dog potty, click the link in bio. So we also want to make sure that this only appears at the end of the video, not throughout the whole video. Now guys, you can do a lot more editing and make it much more creative, but you get the idea. I'm not going to bore you. So we've got the video over here. We've got the call to action over at the top. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And then people that are watching this video, that will see natural dog potty, click the link in bio. A lot of them will naturally get curious and they'll go through to the top and they will click that link in bio. So this is how it works. This is the secret to getting this footage without making it yourself from scratch and being able to make these videos on a massive scale, because you know you can just download them. You've got full rights to use them because of how you choose those videos on YouTube. Once again, just make sure that when you do this, you only use the videos that have got the Creative Commons license, because if you download videos that are on a normal license, you can be breaking copyright. But videos with the Creative Commons license actually give you the full rights to reuse them any way that you want. Just make sure that you give attribution. So when you make this post, in the description, make sure that you give credit to this video. So if you use the footage from this video, make sure that you say used with Creative Commons license and content attribution goes to, and then insert this YouTube link. To maximize this method, it's a good idea to get as many videos out there as possible. So watch this video next to learn where to get a ton more videos, very powerful videos, to get even more traffic to your affiliate links. Go ahead and watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Greg Kononenko. I'll see you in the next video.